Actually, that's a very rookie mistake. By mistake, I left the Action 6 on Starburst F4, and that's why the footage on the Action 6 was looking very dark. But now I left the Action 6 on the F2, so let's see now the difference. And actually this is a good mistake because at least you can see the difference with the Action 5 Pro. Now let's see. This is the proper test now. I don't have the mic mini, so let's see how is the footage now. Let me turn the camera. Now this looks much better now. So both cameras actually looks much better. Actually, I'm on my way to get a package. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. No, what I'm talking about, it's 8 o'clock. Car is approaching. A company reached out, a very professional company for drone accessories, which obviously I'm gonna mention it after I receive all the products, so stay tuned for that. Very interesting company. They reach out and I'm very excited to work with them. They're gonna send these cool accessories for the DJI Mini 5 Pro and something else as well, so stay tuned for that. This is the very famous under bridge test. Let me tap the screen. I can see the sky, and again this is 8:50, 8:60 p.m. It's dark, as you can see. There is no lot of lights. Just I'm gonna stop for a second so you can see the difference. There is a traffic right now, so you're not going to be able to hear me properly. I'm testing these two cameras. Thank you.
Wait, on the camera.
So that's the Action 5, that's Action 6. This one has been released like nearly a month ago, so just testing the footage at night. Actually, this is the package. It's not very big, but interesting. We got the package. Okay, let me try this. Interesting. Oh no! Neither Start RC, neither Telesync. But that's a good surprise. Actually, I'm gonna show you what actually it is. A friend of mine, he's doing like he's got like a shop. He's making like hats and embroidery and stuff like that. And actually, I requested something to do for me, and he created this for me, which is pretty cool. C for Captain, and also he created something pretty cool as well. He created this, which is C for Captain. Wow, looks pretty cool. Goes very well with this. Like, I knew that I'm gonna get it today. This is so random. And the second one is obviously with my YouTube channel. SYGTECH. Pretty cool. Well, so there we have it, guys. Action 5 Pro, Action 6. That's a very long video, but yeah. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Is this test now is approved? But yeah, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.